Welcome to the official launch of Meatless May 2022. This year, as you contemplate, I am challenging you, if you are indeed coming from a plant-based perspective, then I challenge you to go deeper. Challenge yourself. What more can I do? What else can I do to have an optimum mind-body relationship? If you are coming from a meat-based perspective and would like to be fortified in starting and enhancing your plant-based diet experience, then I invite you to visit the links in the description below and to check out the material that's provided there. May God bless you super abundantly as you desire to have a better you for the rest of 2022. Welcome once again to Meatless May.